how to connect PVC pipe to corrugated pipe. As a professional of 35 years in the industry, there's only one coupler that I'm going to use in a case like this. It's a forever coupler. You'd literally have to cut it off. You'll never ever have problems with this coming apart. All right, this coupler right here is made to slide over PVC pipe. And it doesn't matter if it's the Schedule 40 or if it's the thin wall. You know, for example, here's the thin wall. And you can see that this thinner PVC goes up into this portion of this coupler. This outer is larger for Schedule 40. So it's going to accommodate any and all PVC pipes that you run across. This one's going to be on the outside of the coupler. In this ring here, the big one, because it's Schedule 40. There, got a nice fit. Now, because of the barbs, you're never going to get this apart. This is a forever connection. That's never coming apart. We also have it available in 6-inch. This is take 2. That's what happens when you have to get it apart. You literally have to take a box knife and cut it off. It won't come off. You can see how those barbs just click in the ribs of the corrugated pipe. And there's just no getting it off. You have to cut it off. Now, if this is a watertight connection, if you're looking for it to be watertight, then I am going to direct you to our super sticky, super stretchy right here. This is it. 200-year tape. All right, everybody. Until that next video.